By the end of this video, you will know how to import your Wealthfront 1099 to TurboTax. Start by signing in to TurboTax and opening your tax return. Once you are inside the return, look to the left side of the screen and select Federal. This takes you to the section that includes your federal income details and the areas where investment tax forms are entered. From there, go to Income. In the Income section, find Investments and Savings and expand it so you can see the available categories underneath. Look for the entry labeled Stocks, Cryptocurrencies, Mutual Funds, Bonds, Other, followed by the form types 1099B, 1099 DIV, 1099 ENT. Next to that section, click Start if you have not entered anything there yet, or click Revisit if you are returning to it. TurboTax will ask whether you had investment income. Select Yes to continue. That tells TurboTax you want to add information related to your brokerage or investment tax forms instead of skipping this section. On the next screen, choose Import. You should see an option to search for your financial institution. Search for Wealthfront and select it from the results. Make sure you choose the correct provider name before moving ahead, since the connection depends on selecting the matching institution. TurboTax will then open the screen where you enter your Wealthfront sign-in information. In the email field, enter your Wealthfront email address. For the password field, do not use your regular account password here if the screen specifically asks for an app-specific password. Instead, go to your Wealthfront account settings and generate an app-specific password there. After you generate that app-specific password, return to TurboTax and enter it into the app-specific password field. This step authorizes the connection in the format Wealthfront requires for third-party access to tax documents. Once both fields are filled in, click Sign In. TurboTax will use those credentials to connect to Wealthfront and request your available tax forms. You may need to wait a moment while the import completes. If multiple 1099 forms are available in your account, TurboTax will bring in the forms it can access from Wealthfront during this process. When the import finishes, review the imported information carefully for accuracy. Check that the forms shown match the tax documents available in your Wealthfront account and that the imported entries appear in the correct investment income section. This is the point where you confirm that the transfer completed as expected before moving forward in your return. After reviewing the imported details, continue with the rest of your tax return in TurboTax. Your Wealthfront 1099 forms are now imported into TurboTax and ready for review in your return.